Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint one of my favorite fall door hangers. It is a caramel apple. So I'm going in first with the color Pine Cone and doing some little drips. And this is basically just getting my start going. So this is a number 6 round. And then I just filled that in. And again, this is a Dixie Belle chalk paint color, which can be purchased online at buildacross.com. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Chocolate, and my chocolate I have added just a little bit of black to darken it up, more of like a dark chocolate versus a milk chocolate. And I'm going to fill in the rest of the apple. So this is like a chocolate and caramel dipped apple because I thought that sounded delicious, so that's what I went with. And then I'm going to go in and paint my stick in the color Putty, and then do just a little bit of the color Limeade right at that area where the stick goes into the apple. Now that everything is dry, I'm going to go back in with the color Putty and a number 4 round. And what I'm going to do with this is just kind of outline my caramel. And I just do this because I really like the way it finishes it off. I'd rather outline with this caramel color versus black for this. I just feel like it looks better. And now I'm just going to go in with a sponge brush and some of that chocolate color and just stress my stick to kind of give it like a wood grain look. And now I'm going to go in with the back of my paintbrush and that putty color and just add some little polka dots, kind of looking like nuts, just sprinkled on my caramel apple here. And then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton just to highlight and brighten it up. That kind of finishes it off for me. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.